This video will demonstrate how to use the RightFax web application. In this video you will see how to create and send a fax, how to create contacts and manage your phone book, as well as demonstrating other helpful tips and features. Here you see the RightFax homepage. From here you'll create your fax by clicking the New Fax button. From the New Fax window, enter the fax number in the destination field. Dashes or spaces are not required. This will also populate contacts from your phone book if they've already been added. So the destination field will allow you to enter an ad hoc fax number or a fax number from your phone book. Tip number 1, you can go to the To button to open your phone book contacts. From here you can select one or more than one contact to receive the same document. Click on each contact and select the Add to Recipients button. This will return you to the New Fax window. Expand the name field and click on View Recipients button. Here you can see who will be receiving your fax before proceeding further. Tip number 2. If you have a brand new fax number, enter it in the destination field. Expand the name field and click on Add to Phone Book. This will add it to your contacts. Now let's go through the steps of creating and sending a fax. For this example, we're sending a fax to Dr. Peter Provider. First, we'll enter instructions in the free text field that will appear on the cover sheet. Next, notice that the check mark to include the cover sheet is selected by default. You may want to click the View button to see what your cover sheet template looks like. Next, you'll notice a comment box. Here you may want to add a note about the fax that will only be seen by you. Just below in the From section will be your information to the recipient that will appear on the cover sheet. Now navigate to the Attachment section where you can add your document either by attaching them from your files or by dragging and dropping the document you want to fax. If you want to change the order by which the recipient receives the documents, select and use the up and down arrow keys. If you want to remove a document, select it and click X to remove. Now we're ready to fax our 2 documents to Dr. Peter Provider. Clicking the Send button will return you to your home page. Here we can see that the fax was sent successfully as indicated under Status. By customizing your toolbar in Settings, you will also be able to see your own note under Comments. Tip number 3, add a preview pane to your home page by selecting a sent fax and clicking the preview pane icon in the toolbar above. You can make your view pane bigger by adjusting the size. You can also adjust your view using the zoom in and out icons. Here you can see the notes we entered on the cover sheet when creating the fax. Now let's review the other features available from the homepage toolbar. Select a sent fax and click View. Then select Confirmation Page from the drop-down menu. You can now either just view or download to save or print the confirmation page from here. Next, let's demonstrate another way to create and manage your phone book contacts. First, click Phone Book from the home page to open the phone book window. Select New and click Phone Book Entry from the drop-down options. In the phone book entry window, the ID field is mandatory and destination field is used for the fax number. ID will not be viewable on the cover sheet. Enter any number or name for your own reference in the ID field. Enter the recipient's fax number in the destination field. You have the option to publish your contact for other RightFax users to search. You may also want to add additional fax and phone numbers for your contact. Notes you enter here are for your information only and not viewable on any cover sheet. Tip number 4, the default view of your phone book contacts only shows the ID, name, company, and destination fax number of your contacts. To change the setting, click View to reset the columns. For this example, we're going to deselect the owner column and select some additional columns we want front-facing in our phone book, including notes. You can see now that more information as it was entered in the phone book entry fields is front-facing in your phone book view, including your note. Tip number 5, let's show you how to change your sender contact information as it appears on the cover sheet. First, click on the Options button in the homepage toolbar. In the Options window, select the User tab. When in the User tab, expand the From section using the down arrow icon. Here's where you can view and change your information. This is from where your contact information is automatically populated in the cover sheet when you're creating a fax. Note that your RightFax application is not connected to any fax line, so if your fax number changes, you only have to change it here. Please also note that not all fields in the sender's information are visible on the system default cover sheet. even if you've entered it in the settings. This includes your company name, company address, company fax, and company phone number. Also, an email address cannot be entered in User tab settings, so you may want to include this information in the Notes section instead. Let's now create custom folders to manage sent faxes. Click the plus icon to create a new folder. Name your folder and click OK. Here you can see a new folder has been created. To delete a custom folder, select it and click the minus or remove icon. To create a subfolder, select a custom folder and click the plus icon again. Then name your subfolder and click OK. Here you can see that a new subfolder, called My Folder 1, has been added. Use the drag and drop method to move your sent faxes to these folders as a way of managing your homepage. Alternatively, you can click the ellipse down arrow icon above and select Rename, Move, Delete, or Empty Trash folder from the drop-down options. Tip number 6. You can customize your home page toolbar columns by clicking the Settings button located here. Deselect and select the columns that you would prefer to see in your homepage. For example, select Name and Comments. Tip number 7. Remember to refresh your page to update the status of your sent faxes. The refresh button is located at the bottom right of the homepage. Thank you for viewing this video brought to you by the PHC RightFax expansion project. Post go live, please contact the service desk for support or questions.